Big blow for Rajasthan Royals as the news just came that Jofra Archer is set to miss the ODI series versus India and the first half of IPL 2021. He plays for Rajasthan Royals in IPL and he is a premier fast bowler of Rajasthan Royals. The primary weakness of Rajasthan Royals is the lack of good Indian options in the fast bowling department. Rajasthan Royals have tried Varun Aaron, Ankit Rajput and Jaydev Unadkat in the past but all have failed to create an impact. Jofra Archer, if he misses the whole IPL after the assessment of the injury in England, then it is going to be a huge blow for Rajasthan Royals. Now let's look at the current options of Rajasthan Royals in the squad. Now, in overseas fast bowling section, they have Mustafizur and Andrew Tye. Now, Mustafizur has made it clear that he will be playing Test series if he is selected by the BCB, and he is set to miss the IPL in order to perform the national duty. So Mustafizur can go and leave any time. Andrew Tye and Chris Morris are the only options left in that case. Chris Morris, as you know, he has never played a full IPL season before and he is a very injury prone bowler. So Rajasthan Royals need to manage his workload very well. So if Chris Morris rests in some match, then there must be some option to fulfill this slot and provide stability to Rajasthan Royals' bowling attack. Again, instead of overseas fast bowlers, if they want to look for the Indian fast bowlers, then also there aren't too many options. You can see that Karthik Tyagi, he has performed very well in the past. He even went to the Australia and played some matches there. So he is expected to play his role perfectly. But again, instead of Karthik Tyagi, if we look at the other players like Unadkat, Chetan Sakaria and Kuldeep Yadav, they are not very reliable in fast bowling department. There are other options in the form of Ben Stokes and Shivam Dube, but they are not expected to lead the bowling attack with the new ball. They can chip in and bowl part times, but to expect them to take wickets with the new ball is too much. So Rajasthan Royals, they must find a replacement of Jofra Archer for the first half of IPL, and I have looked at the 5 best options for them which they can explore. The first one, we'll go backwards, and the fifth option is the Mitchell McClenaghan. Rajasthan Royals, they are going to play first 5 matches in Mumbai, and Mitchell McClenaghan, as you know, has been part of Mumbai Indians for 5 years from 2015 to 2019 season, and he has played total 56 IPL matches and bagged 71 wickets. He has also played 25 matches at Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai and taken 36 wickets with a very good record, and he provides a left arm angle as well. Rajasthan Royals can reap rewards of his experience. Now, if they want to go with someone who is already established player and has already been part of the team and has a good bonding with all the team members, then they can go with Ocean Thomas. Ocean Thomas was also part of the Rajasthan Royals in the last season, and they can again get to him and select him in place of Jofra Archer. Ocean Thomas is a very good fast bowler and he has taken 56 wickets in just 41 T20 matches in his career. In the 4 IPL matches which he has played so far, he has taken 5 wickets. This bulky fast bowler may not take so much time to settle in the Royals camp because he has been part of that camp before. So Rajasthan Royals, they can stop exploring the other options and go back to the option which they had the last year. Next option is Naveen Ul Haq. Naveen Ul Haq is not a familiar name in the international cricket, but he is a very familiar name in franchise cricket. He has played CPL and also he is going to play T20 Blast for Leicestershire in this year's season. His economy rate in the CPL tournament was just 6.4 and he has taken 58 wickets in 53 T20 matches so far. He is also playing the T20 International Series against Zimbabwe, so he will be good equipped with the game time which is necessary to come and play straight away. Now let's look at the next option. We have Jason Behrendorff, this tall Australian fast bowler. He has taken wickets of very big players in the IPL matches which he has played. In the Wankhede Stadium, he has played 4 matches for Mumbai Indians and he got the wicket of Virat Kohli, Chris Gayle, Suresh Raina, and Ambati Rayudu. These are very big wickets, and his economy rate in the recently concluded BPL season was just around 7 runs per over. On Mumbai pitches, fast bowlers generally get a lot of good bounce and some little movement with the new ball. So this bowler can exploit the left arm angle and the unplayable bounce. Now let's look at the main option, and the primary option which I have selected is the Ben Watchers. This bowler, he was overshadowed by Jai Richardson in the BBL tournament. He got injured for 4 matches, but even after that he played a very good role to take his side to the victory in the finals of BBL 10. His side Sydney Sixers clinched the title again by defeating Perth Scorchers in the final. And this guy, he took 24 wickets in just 13 innings, and his bowling strike rate was under 12, which means if he bowls 2 overs in any match, he can take a wicket, and if he bowls the full quota 4 overs, he can get at least 2 wickets in a single match. So that is a good quality to have in any fast bowler. And most importantly, his ability is to take wickets in the death by using his variations. So he's not too much dependent on the pitch. So he can survive in Indian conditions very easily. And he is a very good successful T20 bowler who has taken 85 wickets in just 68 T20 matches. This player is known to take wickets in bulk, and his recent form has been very good in the Australian domestic competitions. He was earlier part of IPL for Kings 11 Punjab in 2018 season. In that season also Rajasthan Royals engaged in a bidding war with Kings 11 Punjab in the IPL auction, but he was eventually sold to Kings 11 Punjab for 1.4 crores. Although he didn't play any match, he has the experience of Indian conditions now, and he can be a very good option for Rajasthan Royals. For more such analysis and live states, you can join my Twitter account, and you can follow me there. I have left the link in the description and top comment. And if you want free fantasy teams, you can join my Telegram channel, which is free for everyone. I have also left the link of Telegram channel in the top comment. If you like the video, then you can like it and you can share it with your friends. Let's hope that Jofra Archer doesn't miss too many matches of the IPL because he is a very star player. He was MVP of the last season, and as you know, he is one of the best T20 players in the world. He brings certain star power to the tournament, and for the Rajasthan Royals team, he is definitely the best player ever. So let's wish him luck, and let's wish that he recovers from his injury very quickly. Thank you.